Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how I make this bomb and delicious coconut fried rice. It's not just bomb, it's bomb and delicious. So if you're interested, keep on watching and let's get started. So to start off, in this bowl I have some really hot water. I'm adding about 3 cups of rice. I'm gonna cover the rice and let it soak for about 30 minutes to an hour. You can use any meat you want, but I am using pork chop, beef sausage, and some shrimp. You can also use some chicken breast. I'm not using chicken breast because I'm baking some chicken on the side. I'm seasoning the meat before I fry it. You can use any seasoning you have. I added a little bit of oil to a pan and the meat also. I'm gonna fry this until they are brown. In this blender, I have 2 onions, 3 habanero peppers, 1 green bell pepper, and 3 garlic cloves. When the meat is brown like this, I'm gonna remove it and add the peppers and onions. I am adding some seasoning to the onions and peppers. I'm gonna let this fry for about 5 minutes before adding the mixed veggies. I wash the rice 3 times before adding it to the pot. I am adding 1 cup of water. I'm adding some coconut milk. You can use any coconut milk you want. This is the coconut milk I'm using. After adding the coconut milk, I'm gonna add the meat to the pot, mix it, cover it, and check it every 10 minutes. After checking the rice and I feel like it needs more water or seasoning, I'm gonna add the water or the seasoning, cover the pot, and repeat the process. After repeating the process, I feel like the rice has the right taste and the texture I'm looking for, so the rice is ready. If you try this recipe, please let me know. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.